Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Maz777 Naturals. Today's video we're going to discuss a topic and it is interlocking versus retwisting. So stay tuned if you want to find out more. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then before you carry on watching this video, then press that subscribe button and don't forget to press that little notification bell, which should be just by the subscribe button. Thank you. Now, we're going to talk about interlocking versus retwisting. Now, when I first started my lock journey, I started with comb coils of you. You probably will already know if you've subscribed to my channel. Now, during that period, I wanted to keep my retwisting for longer, so I thought about interlocking. So I had a lady come and interlock my hair. Now the first time I had it done, it was okay, it was fine. It looked neat and everything, but the only thing for me, I felt that it looked a bit flat. Didn't look as polished as when you do a retwist. And also, after a period of time, I noticed damage done to my lock, down the shaft of my lock. Some of it was kind of, sort of, I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of torn down the lock. The lock was kind of broken down the shaft of the lock. Now, don't get me wrong, I absolutely love interlocked hair on other people, not myself. But I feel that to interlock your hair should be small, because interlocked locks are tiny. And the reason why I say this is because when you're pulling the hair through, it shouldn't really be jagged. You shouldn't be forcing it to go through. So that's why I think the interlocked hair is tiny, so that it will easily pull through. The tool, what you use, it will just pull through. But when I was doing mine, I could actually feel her ripping the lock, if that makes sense. It just felt like it was like, it even hurt. That's another thing, it actually hurt to interlock. So I said, no, I'm not gonna do this. And even now, I can see places where it had been interlocked. I think you can see, this is the old part of my hair, obviously, this is the end part. But I think this part is an interlocked part. You can see it's a little bit thin there. I don't know if you can tell. And it goes like bumpy there, and it was thinner. So I put that down to when I've had it interlocked and it's been pulled through, yanked through, and caused damage. That's why I felt that it ruined my locks. So since that time, I've never interlocked again. Never. I don't like the flat look anyway. I don't like it. I don't know. If anyone who's got thick locks has ever interlocked, then drop a comment in the box below, because I'd like to know how you felt when you interlocked your hair. Did it damage it? Did it hurt when you pulled it through? Because obviously if your hair is thicker, then it's a smaller space to pull through. So do let me know in the comments box. So for those of you who haven't seen an interlocking tool, this is it. This is the interlocking tool, and what you would do, you would get your hair, put this into the regrowth, and then you would put it through north, south, east, west. And the trick is to make sure that there's no holes in the middle, because sometimes if you don't interlock properly, you can get a hole in the center of your lock. So yeah, this is the tool what you use. Now, if you've got, say you've got like a lock what's kind of hanging off, then I would say yes, it's good to interlock to kind of keep it together. But personally, to interlock, for general interlocking of your hair, then I wouldn't recommend it. That's just me, for me personally. And I'm not saying you're not to interlock your hair, but I just don't like interlocking, because I don't feel like having your hair done should be painful. And I felt that interlocking was painful for my particular hair. So, and also it caused thinning and a bit of breakage. So that's why I stopped. And another thing is, when you do interlock your hair, you don't get that nice polished look. You don't get that shine from the interlocking as you would do if you was just normally twisting your hair. You get that finished, polished look. With interlocking, it's just, I don't know how to describe it. It's just flat. I'll just say it's flat. If anyone can give me another reason, then just drop it in the comments. Yes, that's my take on interlocking and how it unfortunately ruined my hair. Some people might think it's great for their hair, then that's good. But for me, I will not be going down that road again. And as I'm semi-freeforming at the moment anyway, and when I do start to maintain my hair again, it will be just twisting. So that's that. Now, this style, in case anyone's asking for it, in case you want to have a look, you can press the I above, because it's one of the 5 styles on, I think it was 5 styles on straight locks. So this is just, I don't know if you can see, hopefully, just an updo. Normal, simple updo. So, thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and do drop your comments in the boxes below, and stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.